birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mary. Happy birthday to you. Tanta Guri Hate. Tanta Guri Hate. Tanta Guri Hate, Mary. Tanta Guri Hate. Aguri, my baby, long life and prosperity.
Madam, why you going just like this?
He concern you. Madam, he concern you. You never hear say you get one baby princess when they do birthday today. When he be say mama born well, him mama settle down, eat well, come born and come outside belleful. You never hear. You never hear say today na gbedu, enough gbedu day. And that person when they do birthday, you know say na him they call Princess Mary. Yes, Princess Mary. That baby when he be say he fine, he can't yellow, he can't robust, he can't make pete, he can't soft like today's bread. You never hear that. And make I tell you, Princess Mary, the person when say make I tell you happy birthday, so now your one and only auntie when they call Marianne, aka Lady B. She say make I wish you happy birthday. Oh. She say make I tell you say you will get many long life and prosperity ahead. Oh. She say make I wish you all the good things when they this world. Oh. Happy birthday to you, my princess. Happy birthday, Omonomose. Happy birthday, Mary. God go bless you for this life when you come home. As you say me so, madam, me I don't let go because I no want make that food finish. Oh. I don't dress like this. I don't carry my bag when I go put all the goodies inside. Oh. If you want follow me, follow me. Oh. If you not follow me, you go miss. So me I don't go.
You happy birthday. They say na pikin wey fine, now they wish happy birthday. Pikin wey sabi, now they wish happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mary. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you every good thing in life. Happy birthday, dear. You. Not look me. Look wetin I dey show you. I say not look me. Look that babe, that princess when I dey show you. Look am. This princess when I dey show you so. Look am. Not look my face. Look this princess. Princess Mary, today is her birthday. I'm wishing her happy birthday, long life and prosperity, more money in her bank account, more favor, more wisdom, more knowledge. She will grow and excel. She's born to win, born to rule, and born to reign in life. Happy birthday, Mary, your one and only auntie. Auntie, wishing you long life and prosperity. Grow old and excel. It's your day. Enjoy and do shakara. Aguri.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mary. Mary, I just want to say happy birthday. This birthday wish is coming from your family, your Zia, your mama, your papa, your Zia. Say I should wish you happy birthday. Love you. I wish you long life and prosperity. Grow with grace. Grow with the love of God. Continue growing. Continue with your success. God's love is with you. I wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mary. Tantiaguri Mary. Tantiaguri Mary. Tantiaguri, Mary. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! In case you are seeing me for the first time, I remain your own boy, Orodo the comedian, all the way from USA, United States of Aba. Before I proceed, jam your hands together for this little princess. Jam your hands together for Princess Mary. Ew, happy birthday, little angel. Your name is Mary. You know the comedian, they call you Grace because you don't carry many awards for school. See, as you then mark new beginning of your age, where other kids they progress, now they will count you poor. Forwardness, success will be your portion. Ew. These are the most intelligent princess ever. The only queen when win Italo children for quiz competition. See, this birthday shout out they come from your lovely auntie, Auntie Maria, aka Beyonce. She said, make I wish you long life and prosperity. Happy birthday once again, the most cutest princess ever, Princess Mary from Ororo the Comedian. You are doing well.
You know, say every day I pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart is a beat like do, cause now you know, say every day I pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart is a beat like do,